After trading fairly in a narrow trading zone yesterday, gold and silver today has given a breakout and now trading comfortably at the resistance levels at 2020 and 2540 levels. So now what to expect today? Important day, CPI data awaited from US definitely will bring volatility. So which position you should take in order to profit trading gold and silver today, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Remember, this is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the CPI data itself. Do watch that also. Let's start. First we'll look into gold followed with silver. Watch till the end. And yes, if you want to keep yourself updated with the latest market movements, join my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at the hourly chart. See, firstly on the hourly charts, yesterday I told you, see this liquidity gap was there, a couple of big bullish candles and then this retracement. Complete movement was engulfed between these two candles, and see precisely from 1980 we have seen this rising again. But at the same time, look at the slope here, and the slope here is different. This is steeper, this is slightly gradual. This means that the bullishness is there but it is diminished, and this is a retracement. So what to do? You can buy here at 2021 levels and expect it to rise for 2024.5 and then 2032, the previous high. Beyond that we are going to look at 2050 levels also, and it is going to fly past on the upside. So these two levels, that is 2021 and 2032 zone, you should watch out for. Beyond that, sky is the limit for gold on the upside. At the same time, on the downside, you can look now 2000 levels are going to provide a very good support. Below that we are going to look forward to a good drop, but let's have a further detailed look if we can take an early entry in order to maximize profit for the sell or buys. See, the stochastic here on the hourly chart is overbought. MACD is divergent and bullish looking upwards. RSI is also overbought, but see this, it traded overbought here, it can trade overbought here too. Now look at 2-hour charts. Similar is the observation on the 2-hour charts, and it is trying to retrace again. See, if you connect these dots, if you connect the highs and the lows precisely, it is very well limiting itself within this channel. And now the highs at around 2020 2021 and the lows at around 2000. So this is a $20 gap. But at the same time, if you look at these candles, you see it consolidated, then this breakout, and in fact 2010 was a good support. So now I'll recommend, if you see it trading below 2012, you can sell here and expect 2006 and 2000 levels, and below that only further drop can be expected. The stochastic is back to overbought. MACD divergent and bullish. See the slope there and here is different. Possibly it can again continue with the downward move. If it crosses over, we can say that it is a good time to sell. RSI near to overbought levels, not overbought on the 2-hour charts. And if you look at the 3-hour, now see on the 3-hour charts, now it is trading above the 20-50-100 simple exponential moving averages, and you can see here they started to diverge again. At the same time, the one buy indication is coming from the super trend. This is indicating a buy entry here, but the support till 1990 levels, it is saying that till here possibly we can stay long if it stays above 1990, but then these are markets. So yes, you can sell at 2012 and expect that 1990 levels are going to give it a maximum support. Stochastic overbought on the 3-hour charts. The MACD divergent bullish looking upwards. RSI is also trying to look upwards. It is not yet overbought. And if you look at 4-hour chart, similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts too. And the levels remain the same here. Also on the 4-hour charts, it is still for a sell here, super trend. The stochastic is overbought. The MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence and looking bullish. This is the only indication which is indicator which is giving it a bullish sign that it can continue with the bullish momentum. RSI trying to look upwards and showing strength. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts. First of all, look at the slope here. See, till here it is, the lows were very well connected, you can see here. And if you connect the bottom of this channel, if you look at the bottom of this channel, this is far below at 1960, 1970. But at the same time, now we can see it is trying to create another base on its own, and the median levels are somewhere here at 2020. So 2000 levels rather. So 2000 to 1960, and on the upside 2040. This is the zone which it's trying to trade within. Right now it is looking upwards and trading above the first half of, or the top half of this channel. Now look at last 3 candles. See, consolidation, lower highs, lower lows, and this time it is trying to give a breakout. Yes, if it sustains above 2021, certainly more bullish momentum may prevail, and we can expect 2025, 24, and then 2032, 2040. Beyond 2040, sky is the limit on the upside. Now see, the stochastic has dropped a bit on the daily chart. The MACD is still trading with a little divergence, and it is still on the sell side. See, it is still trading at the highs here. Certainly a drop has to be there, but right now it is limiting its movement. RSI is also looking upwards, trying to trade bullish. So considering this for the day, you can sell here at 2012 and see, rather I'll say 2010. You can sell here at 2010. Expect 20504 first target, 2000 levels next target, and then 1990 levels might get achieved. If it continues to trade on the downside below 1990, more bearishness is going to prevail. On the upside above 2021, you can buy. Expect that 2025, 2032, and then 2040, 2060 levels are going to be the next targets. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profit, you should join my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts on 17th of April. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly chart first. See, silver on the hourly chart, consolidation here, good bullish candle, consolidation here, another bullish candle. Now the size of the candle is less than half the size of this previous candle. This indicates that the bullishness is there, but it is diminished. Also remember, this breakout is coming after a good consolidation, and hence we will watch out for how it behaves in the next few candles. Now look at last few candles. See, lower highs, higher lows. This time again it is trying to look upwards. So once it breaks out beyond 2540, there could be further bullishness, which is going to take it till towards 2550 first target, and beyond that we are going to look at 2575 and then $26 levels. So this is something we should wait and watch out for. At the same time, on the downside, see, if it drops below 2528, you can sell for 2520, and then see, only bearishness today in silver is below $25 levels. That is for sure here. Now see, this is coming out of the box, trying to trade bullish here. It has to fall back within the block in order to continue with the previous move. Now look at, see, it has created a base here at 24 80 70 levels, and then this is how it was trading, and then this breakout has come. So right now it is still trying to trade bullish. Beyond 2540, you can buy for 2550 and plus levels, but then be cautious, it is slightly trading overbought. Look at the directional stock exponential moving average trading with divergence. The super trend has generated a buy signal with the support at 2510. So I will recommend you to sell at 2528, but then 2520, 2510 and $25 are going to remain the pivot levels, the support levels. Only if it breaks below 25, further bearishness is going to be seen. The stochastic is back to overbought zone. The MACD is started to diverge, looking upwards, and this is happening after good curve on the downside. The RSI is again overbought here on the hourly charts. And if you look at 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour chart, so similar is the observation, bullishness, consolidation, bullishness here, and again trying to look upwards. This candle will decide which direction it wants to take. About 2540, 2550 is must, and beyond that we may see it hitting 2575 and in fact higher levels. The stochastic back to overbought zone, the MACD divergent and bullish, looking upwards, and if you look at the RSI, this is also back to overbought zone. Look at 3-hour charts, similarly trading with divergence and coming on giving a breakout here from the consolidation zone. I'll wait for it to break out on the upside too. On the downside, $25 levels is something I'll wait for it to break out in order to confirm a reversal. A stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, looking upwards. RSI also near to overbought zone. And if you look at 4-hour charts, now look at 4-hour charts. See, on the 4-hour charts, after consolidation, this was a single bullish candle we have seen today morning, and now it is trying to look up again. Yes, the support from 2528 is good, and this is also a pivot level below which further bearishness may prevail, and it can erase all the gains with just one single candle. If it can give you a rise, it can give you a sell also and erase the gains in a single candle. So we be cautious. Yes, a buy above 2540 and a sell below 2528 can be taken in silver. The stochastic is overbought. The MACD has crossed over, started to diverge again. Let's see if it does continue. And also remember, look at it here. Silver has been trading in with this as support, and it is again back to this as support, now trying to look upward. So if it continues to rise from here, again we can see further more bullish move. The RSI is trying to look upwards and show a little strength. And if you look at the daily chart, now look at the daily chart. See, yesterday we saw it getting the resistance from the last week's high at 25.15, and today it has breached 25.15. And see, after a bit of consolidation, now it is trying to give a breakout. This is the first greener candle, and if you track the movement of silver in last few days, you will find, see, bullishness, consolidation, bullishness, consolidation, bullishness, consolidation, bullishness, then consolidation, then bullishness, then consolidation, and then again. So this is taking step by step, trying to trade one step at a time and trying to continue in this bullish channel. Now if it stays about 25.40, 25.50, certainly we can expect 25.75 and $26 levels on the upside. And yes, any drop below $25 is going to bring more bearishness. Yes, why? Because see, it is trading consistently overbought on a stochastic for last couple of weeks. Now I was scrolling through the history for last couple of years or more. See, I found a very rare chance for silver to continue with such bullishness for a long. But this time, since it has given a breakout, it is trying to continue with that bull run. However, it is perfectly overbought and it has to retrace some point of time in near future. The only question is how far it can rise from here. So yes, about 25.40, certainly more bullishness can prevail here. 25.50, 25.60, 75, and then $26 levels are the next targets. You should keep trailing with the stop loss there and keep trading with the stop loss at cost, such that in case of a reversal, your trade closes in profit. And if you look at, see, the MACD here is extremely at high levels and it is still not showing any signs of convergence. The RSI is also consistently trading overbought. So see, all the indications are for silver trading overbought. It has to retrace. Only question is the timing, how far it can stretch the bull run on the upside. And see, a stretch on the upside means a retracement on the downside will be with a very small movement. So first of all, we will look to how it behaves today, because till the time it stays above $25 levels today, possibly we can stay bullish in silver. So for the day, yes, you can sell at 25.28 and buy at 25.40. But then 50, 60 and 75 the nearest resistance, and beyond that $26 levels are the target. On the downside, once it breaks below 25.28, 25.20, 25.10 and 25, these three levels needs to be broken in order to confirm the bearish move. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.